Yeah, this is strong.
Oh, dude, the first time I came up here, it just placed the gravel.
This is the only house that I've ever done with granite wall.
Really? I think I've seen one other one in the
Really
pressing
nice.
colors.
It's expensive though. Even now it'd be prohibitive.
Well, it depends on what Robert has to say, but Stetson, I recognize those shoes because those are my favorite river shoes. You go to the river while you're down there in Austin?
Yeah, I actually grew up on Land Passes.
Did you?
Yeah,
I'm
my
a
parents
big
have a
river
place
fan.
out there.
Really?
Yeah, dude. I love it. Just get kayak and fishing.
My fans, I got my kids out there when they were little bitty. Remember that big flood that happened about 4 or 5 years ago? The next year, because the Rock and R River, we sent a picture in because their faces were just like, just having a blast, you know.
Yeah.
They gave us a trip for 10 people.
Are you serious?
Yes, we won it. But I've been taking it
This is like class 4 rapids.
Wow.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. But that's the fun part.
You must have had a good time building this house, huh?
Jay was easy to work with, and his wife, Josephine.
Yeah.
Jody's his second. They were nice people to work with. And they had the money. Or they overdo it and borrow it, and then they can't pay for it. It's crap. We picked it up and moved it over.
Where'd it come from?
Right over there.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. And the other house was here. So there was a house
The
here.
original house was right in there.
Yeah.
The gazebo was right over here. So we moved.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, so what is the outside walls? Tell us what it is.
Philippine mahogany.
Okay, that's great.
The inside's Honduras mahogany.
Okay, well the stuff that what's the fence made out? Is that Philippine mahogany also?
No, that's
Just
most of that
cedar
was
or something?
Cedar.
Is there any other exotic? So you're talking about this
These were built in Maine.
millwork. These were built in Maine.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for their day,
Boy, they're nice. Yeah.
they were $500,000 then.
The window and door package.
Yeah.
That's Mike. This is Mike. You built Mike. Mr. Eckert built the house. So you think this detail here, that copper flashing probably goes up 3 or 4 inches behind that wood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say that again.
I think it goes up at least 4 or 5, maybe more. I don't know.
Okay.
But I can't.